Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide payment methods using the selected shipping method condition in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. For this example, we will skip the Describe the rule you want to create box and use Search and Select Combination manually. Let's find the selected shipping method condition and click on Select this combinations where it exists. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Selected Shipping Method. We set If Found and enter COD Shipping method. Now set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Bogus Gateway. Here, Bogus Gateway is used as a credit card for testing purposes. Since this store has only two active payment methods, credit card and cash on delivery, I have added only Bogus Gateway to hide. If your store has more active payment methods, then you should add all of them except the one you want to show for COD shipping. So if any customer chooses COD shipping, then only cash on delivery will be shown and Bogus Gateway will be hidden. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the credit card is visible because customers select the Prepaid Shipping method. Now let's select COD Shipping and check again. Yes, the credit card, which is Bogus Gateway, is not visible anymore. Now, if you want that when a customer selects Prepaid Shipping, then cash on delivery will be hidden, and only credit card will be shown. You need to create another separate rule. In the same way, select the Selected Shipping Method condition again and choose Prepaid Shipping. Then go to the Add Payment Method section, add Cash on Delivery, and save the rule. Now let's go to the checkout page again and check. As you can see, when we select COD Shipping, only cash on delivery is shown. And when we select Prepaid Shipping, only the credit card is shown. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!